What happened? Shaitan made you get angry. He wants to spoil your fast. You might argue, but where is Shaitan? He's supposed to be tied up. Well, there are so many explanations of that. Either you become a little devil, or the major shayateen are locked up, but the little ones are causing all the disaster. That's also an explanation. You see? May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us. Or shaitan's effect already from wherever he's tied up may be impacting on you. Who knows? Nowadays, we probably are connected to each other, but I'm not even there. But I can have an impact on you through what? Maybe through the internet. I'm not saying shaitan uses the net, but he appears on it. I promise you he does. May Allah Almighty protect us all. So the hadith says, when you are fasting, you don't swear, you don't commit immorality, you don't do any of these things. And if someone comes and swears you, what are you supposed to say? You're supposed to not even respond to them in a negative way. You just say, Inni sa'im. You know what? I'm fasting. That should switch the debate off. Someone swears you, for example, road rage happens a lot. And this guy rolls down his window and starts swearing, and you swear back and whatever, you just thumbs up. Khalas. Why? I'm fasting, bro. So what if it looks like you've lost the debate? It's okay. In the eyes of Allah, I won it. I was fasting. I'm not going to spoil my fast. They're going to think you're a little bit crazy. But you're not. You're a stronger person. ليس الشديد بالسرعة إنما الشديد الذي يملك نفسه عند الغضب. Strong person is not he who out-wrestles the other. I'll pump you up, my brother. I'll beat you up. Watch out. Don't see six-pack. Trust me, some of the guys with six-packs have been beaten up by people with one big family pack. It doesn't mean you have muscle so you can out-wrestle. Some of the guys are big. They might not be that muscular, but they might push you down. You will be surprised. May Allah grant us ease. A truly powerful person is he who can control his temper. That's why when you are a top wrestler or a top fighter, a lot of the times the trainers will say you need a lot of patience, because you can beat up someone so badly if you lose your cool. Just be calm. So you find the black belt and the guys who are top notch, they're calm.